Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit, coming back to another video. And in this video, I want to talk about the Miami Seller Conference that's going down on March 15th to the 17th. Now, this is gonna be, I think, my third year in a row going to the Miami Seller Conference. And if you're an Amazon seller, and you want to meet other Amazon sellers, network, attend a conference where you can learn some really cool things about retail arbitrage, eBay to Amazon, wholesale, all different types of things, you should definitely check out this event. It's actually going down in about 2 weeks at the time of this recording, and it's gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait. So let me know in the comments if you are going to the Miami Seller Conference. I'm gonna put some information down below. But I'm on a website right now, and there are some freaking awesome people that are actually coming to this event, okay? Now, besides myself, yes, I will be there. I'll be speaking on a panel. We have Larry Labarsky, known as Watch Me Amazon, who does $1.5 million per month with wholesale. We got Warner Fields, known as Fields of Profit. He's a 7-figure online arbitrage seller. We got Flip for Miles. We've got Romer the Roamer, who's actually putting on the event. Avery Martin, founder of Go-To-Lister. We've got Reezy Resells. We've got Joji Davenport. We've got Amazon Lit, who does $4 million a month. We've got Fast Track FBA. We've got Chris Grant. I mean, there are literally so many people here. Trevin Peterson, Jameson Philippi, Side Hustle Experiment. So I just want to make this video to share this event that's going down. You know, I don't own the event, I don't run the event, I'm just going as an attendee, and I will be speaking there. But I love connecting and networking with folks. So if you want to attend an Amazon conference, it is going down in a couple weeks. There's still tickets, there's networking, there's a 2-day conference. They're renting out a yacht and having this whole little event on the water, which is really cool. That was, you know, last year was the first time I did that, and it was so much fun. So just wanted to share this opportunity with you guys. If you're interested in coming to Miami and meeting some Amazon sellers, I'll put the information down below. With that being said, hopefully I'll see you over there at the Miami Seller Conference. Much love.